everyone, it's Eunice and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be talking about this subscription box. So huge, it's the FabFitFun box. Okay, backstory to this. You all know I'm subscribed to BoxyCharm and I love it. It's like 21 bucks a month. But this one is a totally different subscription box service because it has a lot of random products in it. It's not purely makeup, not purely skincare, not purely whatever. It's just a lot of different products streaming from makeup, skincare, sunglasses, clothes, blankets, towels, whatnot. I originally wanted to try it out because it says that the summer box came with a Foreo Fofo, and you all know that Foreo is kind of expensive, so I was like 40 bucks for a Foreo and then a lot of different items. So, okay, maybe I'll try it. Tapos parang may 10 or $20 off pa yung Instagram ad na I clicked on. So initially it was supposed to be just 30 bucks with a Foreo Fofo. And then I was clicking on it, I signed up, whatever, and I was choosing the products, and lo and behold, the Foreo Fofo was not available. Like a lot of the products that I wanted to get weren't available, so I was like, okay, no na lang. So I exited out. And then a few days ago, this came. But apparently not completing the quiz that they have doesn't signify that you didn't sign up for the subscription service, because apparently I did. So it's here now. I don't want to complain, so I just want to, since I've never tried this subscription box service anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this to you guys. I know it's a little bit late because they're starting to post teasers about the fall box already, but yeah, I really wanted to do a review on this because it is a little bit more expensive than other boxes and it has a different concept to it. So okay, FabFitFun, the editor's box in support of Wildlife Conservation Society. So let's open it. Of course, syempre binlock ko yung camera na. Oh, thumbnail! Ah! My thumbnail will be, I didn't sign up for this. I don't know. But yeah, let's open it. Okay, first, when you open it, you get this Fab. I should probably not put this on my bed because it could be dirty because it's been everywhere. But yeah, you have this FabFitFun magazine thing. I don't know what you call it. And it has all of the products in there, supposedly. $50 off HelloFresh. $25 off your first 2 boxes. I want to try this one day and then I'll vlog it. I'm gonna use this coupon. So a note from us, at FabFitFun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're especially excited to introduce the editor's box. We handpicked each item with you in mind, filling this box with our top-rated brands and products most beloved by our editors and members. It's one of our favorites, so we hope you love it as much as we do. You know what I feel like this is? Alam mo yung sa Candy magazine, and then at the first like few pages, there's like editor's pick, and then they talk about what they're loving for the month. Feeling ko ganito yun eh. Like, it's an upscaled editor's pick kind of thing. But yeah, it talks about what's in the box. So does this mean I have all of these? No, dependent on selection. Okay, so this is generic. Like, what's here, it's generic. I'm not getting all of these. So let's pull it out. Oh, Summer and Rose, you're a gem. $10 off $50 orders and $15 off $75 for Summer and Rose. I think this is an accessory brand. So similar to BoxyCharm, they also put coupons of the brands they actually feature. So yeah, let's open it. It's nice naman. It's nakarap pa with a tissue box. Let's see what I got. Okay, first is this Ahava Mineral Hand Cream. Oh my gosh! Okay, first pa lang, gusto ko to. Kailangan ko to. I'm someone who needs hand cream, as you can see. Okay, I haven't been painting my nails because I've been growing them. Okay, I have makeup on one of them. I haven't been painting my nails because I'm growing them out. A month ago, I constantly had gel nails on. Parang after 1 2-week round of gel nails, I put another one on, and it damaged my nails so badly, and it's just starting to get better, as in even my nail bud, sobrang nag-dry out siya and whatnot. So I'm trying to keep it clean and just nail polish free for now. So if it's an eyesore, I'm really sorry. But yeah, I really do have, like my dry face, I have dry nail buds. I don't usually buy hand cream because I'm like, oh, why do I have to spend another, I can just use my lotion. But yeah, I definitely want to use this. I have a Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. Dead Sea Laboratories. Germany. It's made in Germany. It's paraben-free and it's allergy tested. And it's good for 12 months. So yeah, let's open it kasi gagamitin ko naman to. Ooh, it smells good. Konti lang kasi di ko pa sure if... Ooh, it's not greasy. I like it. And hindi siya parang sticky feeling na pang summer. 'Di ba? If you put lotion in the summer, parang ang icky ng feeling niya. It's not like that. And the scent, may medyo old. The scent is a little bit more mature for me. But it's good. It's nice to have. And this retails for $33. Wow. Pero ang laki niya for a hand cream. So I'm glad to have that. And I got an accessory. Okay, 8 other reasons. Silver. So I got this necklace from 8 Other Reasons, Landon Laureate. Wow, this retails for $48. Totoo ba ito? Sometimes I feel like they trick you with the prices. Parang baka hindi naman yun yung pang retail price. They wanna make it like that lang para, you know, the box is valued a lot bigger or a lot more. So it's like a cute layered necklace thing. I'm gonna wear it today because it doesn't go with my outfit. But again, nice to have because I don't have anything like this. So I feel like it would go well with like a plain dress na medyo high neck siya. So care for me. Love me unconditionally. Go gentle. I can't swim. Oh, cute. Perfume. No thanks. I'm allergic. Keep me safe at night. It has like little whatchamacallit directions back here. Next up is this. What is this? Magi Sports Trigger Point Ball. Uy, parang I need this. Retails for $24.95 and it's blue. Oh, it's a little dirty from the lagyanan. Oh, another coupon, 20% off your next purchase. Trigger point ball. How do we use this? Oh, it's like you know how there are like foam rollers? It's like that, pero sobrang portable. Wow. Okay, so far, loving this box. This is so surprising. Parang I want to do this again na hindi ko pipiliin yung laman niya and I just get surprised. I love this. I'm definitely gonna use this. The next item is Tula Probiotic Skincare Dual Face Skin Reviving Treatment pad for baby smooth skin. It has 5 pads. Tula. So it says reveal brighter, visibly smoother skin after just one use. The cotton pads are soaked in skin-loving ingredients that exfoliate your skin in the most gentle yet effective way. So it's like a mask. Yeah, it's like a mask. So I definitely can't use this right now. But again, nice to have. I have my mask days. I'll use that for that. And that one retails for $26. Okay, this one's Sponge Papaya Yuzu Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. What? Oh, this is so cool. It's like a loofah with the body wash inside. So, na-excite ako kasi parang these are items that I usually don't buy. So, it's like nice to have. Body wash infused buffer and papaya yuzu. Exfoliate and cleanse all the same time. This hypoallergenic sponge has a time-released creamy... Wow, time-released pa! Creamy lather made with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. I can't read. It moisturizes, rejuvenates, and restores your skin, leaving it soft as silk. And this retails for $16. Again, can't wait to use this. Oh, and we have a makeup product right here. It's from Ish Cosmetics Lip Statement Palette. Kakabili ko lang na madaming lipstick. Lips lang naman. So, Ish. Pucker Up Ladies, this palette features 11 intensity pigmented shades. So, retails for $42. Wow, naka-plastic pa siya, guys. Nice packaging, in fairness. Oh, it comes with a tiny lip brush and a lot of different shades. But I'm gonna use it. So, I'm doing my aunt's makeup this coming August or September. August, I think. No, I think September. I'm doing my aunt's makeup in September and I've been trying to do makeup of other people and I feel like I want to use this kasi it's a lot more sanitary kasi pagkagamit ng brush, wash it and then dip it, diba? So I'm not gonna play with the formula kasi I don't want to use my fingers but it looks good naman. It's creamy. I'll be sure to like have an update video at the end of the month if I get to use this. And then we have 2 big products like here. It has like fuzzy stuff. Like I don't have that much makeup bags, no? Color blue, yun lang, besh. Yumi Kim makeup train case. This train case is large enough. Let's see if may brush holder yung train case nito, guys. Sobrang sulit ng box for $30. If may brush holder yung train case na to. Do not fail me. Do not fail me. Okay. Huge train case. Can fill it up with a lot of products. cute pattern. Cute because it's not majority pink. And ayan na. May nanalo na. It has brush holders. May nanalo na. Tapos may zipper ko. Oh, I have a new travel train case. This one retails for $58. Can you believe that? I mean, I would believe that kasi a lot of the products naman, I mean, a lot of the train cases with like brush holders pa there, if it's good quality ha, mga retails for about that same amount. Pero, yun lang, it's not like the hardbound one, which is actually good. So I can really stuff it in my train case, my suitcase if ever. So that's also good. Then we have another item right here, which is, I believe this is the Trina Turkish towel. Turkish towel, what does that mean? So it just says it's inspired by their design. And oh my gosh, it retails for $78. Totoo ba, besh? Towel ba talaga to? Ang nipis talaga niya. Uy, actually parang blanket. Parang yung pink blanket ko. This one I got for free at Victoria's Secret Pink. This one I got from my FabFitFun box. Towel ba to? But I want it to be a kumot. I don't know. But yeah, that's everything in this box. As you can see, to be honest, for a first-timer, panalo lahat. For $30, I definitely think it's worth it. I think the fall box, I need to stop playing with this. Baka mabagok ako. Talagang dito ko na siya iniwan. For $30, I think it's great. I don't know if I want to pay $40 for it. I think the normal price of the boxes are $49, but they always have like Instagram ads wherein there's like a $10 off coupon or whatnot from like other people. I don't know who they are, but I usually just click on them. I'm a sucker for Instagram ads. I love how kasi they just show on your stories. I'm like, oh, that's interesting. Click, and then surprise, I'm subscribed to a box na pala. But yeah, I'm really not disappointed, and I'm glad I got it because all of the items here, all of the items here, I really see myself using for every day, for like when I travel and whatnot. And parang wala namang na sayang na item. So yeah, and oh my gosh, this towel is really soft. I want to use it as a blanket. So overall, I really like it. I do think that I might get the fall box as well kasi these boxes are like seasonal boxes, so you pay for them 4 times. Seasonal 4 seasons, 4 times a year. So parang $50, and usually there's like a coupon somewhere there. So $39.99, and I really wanna, and it's so fun to unbox it because I really didn't know what else was in here. So yeah, I really enjoyed filming this video, and if you want to get yourself signed up for the FabFitFun box, I'll put the link of their website down in the description box. And I really enjoyed this, and I'm looking forward to receiving more of their boxes kasi my BoxyCharm subscription is ending in August, my 6-month subscription, and I am definitely filming a review video of my 6-month subscription, and I'm still thinking if I want to renew it or try another subscription box because I do purchase a lot of makeup. So okay, this is a whole other thing. This is going to be in my BoxyCharm review. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video unboxing this box with me and being surprised and like napapawaw na lang, bigyan ng jacket ang FabFitFun box because guys, nanalo na. May brush case yung train case. You have a time-released lather dispenser, whatever, body wash dispenser, loofah, and a massage ball. Oh, hand cream pa, besh. So, and this super soft towel that I'm loving. Oh my gosh, I put lipstick on it. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!